like to give the rose?
Aye.
So should we come around here?
Here we go. I think if we can gather
for you.
Thank you so much, so very, very much. This is a big surprise, believe you me, I had no idea. I thought I was gonna get spanked for something.
So we want you to just relax and hear what we are saying to you as a way of saying thank you to all the years of nursing.
I thank everybody.
Well, this is our thank you to you.
Yes. Oh, I thank everybody so much. It's been a long, long haul, you know, from way down to zero up to, well, let me see, I hate to tell my age, but it's getting older all the time.
So we would like to read you a poem that talks about how we honor you in your years as a nurse.
Oh, thank you so
All right.
much.